Hey guys!
Now we're in Dubai Mall. We're gonna buy the iPhone and yeah. There's no more.
Hamli. Isn't it Mahali?
Now we're about to buy to get to the phone after 1, 2, 3. Let me show you the name. Phone. This is the one that I'm gonna buy in rose gold or gold, I don't know. Might be rose gold, might be gold, so. And it has 3D touch. So this is the phone, yeah. Guys, I can't show you the cases because I want you to see my other video. I'm gonna do it today or tomorrow, I don't know. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow. But I don't want you to only watch this. I want you to watch that. Please like, subscribe, share, tell everyone about me. Now I'm gonna unbox it. But yeah.
Help me.
So this is the iPhone, guys.
Yeah.
I'm just opening the wrapper.
Okay. God help me.
I'm gonna take this off.
Alright.
Yeah.
Open. Oh my bravo.
So this is the phone. I can't open it now, but just wanted to show you.
What the color?